Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my ear growth oil, so continue to watch. First I'll start off with my olive oil. Now I use olive oil because it works well with my hair. Everybody have their different oil that they use, their favorite. Mine is olive oil. It's amazing. So most of it is going to be olive oil. Also, these oils are penetrating oils. The one that is little to no penetration is the jojoba oil. Next, I'm going in with my sweet almond oil. Then my jojoba oil. This one I'll just use a little bit, not much. Essential oil. This is tea tree oil. Now this is optional. You don't have to use this one. You don't have to use tea tree, or you don't have to use essential oils at all. You can just use your carrier oils, but for me, I choose to use the essential. So that's about it. That's my ear growth mix for my natural hair care. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Also, leave your question in the comment section. Bye.